It's a vintage sad face pedal car, all metal construction, some chrome embellishments, original tires. It's been repainted. I think the original color was this very faded pink with blue or gray stripes. See, the tires are cracked. It does have chrome hubcaps that have also been painted over, some blue paint that's also been splashed on. Missing the steering wheel. Underneath is all there. Front tires are little. Use some reinforcement. It does roll well. The pedals do pedal back wheels. Again, this is a sad face design. It's been repainted. Thanks for looking.